Hello everybody, we are at Iffa and we are at the Eagle booth. By my side, Mr. Michael Stewart, FAE Product Specialist of Eagle. Michael, good afternoon.
Hello, nice to meet you.
What about the Eagle production?
Well, Eagle's been manufacturing machines for many years now, and what we're showcasing here is some of our latest innovations, which have been specifically produced for various applications across the meat industry.
And what about you are displaying here at Iffa? Well, which new you are displaying?
We've got a couple of innovations on display here, and what we're trying to demonstrate is we've got solutions for the poultry side of the industry and for the red meat side of the industry. And one of the biggest new innovations that we've got is around our fat analysis machines. Eagle's been manufacturing fat analysis machines for over 10 years now, producing accurate CL results, stable, small footprint, low cost of ownership machines. But getting that number is only part of the story. You want to be able to do something with it to get the benefits of optimizing your production, consistent production of high quality products, as well as making sure that those products are safe for consumption. And this system that we have on display here today is a way in which you can, or a processor can specify a particular type of product he wants to produce, modify the behavior of an in-feed type action, whether that's from an operator or automated, then fed through the machine, getting the feedback from the machine such that he can modify his behavior to meet the actual recipe target he's trying to produce. And it's that system concept. It's the additional pieces around the actual FA machine itself to create a complete solution. And that innovation, that's what we're really enthusiastic about today.
Your technology, your plants are useful for small, medium or big industry or for whole industry?
For the systems that we're promoting here, it tends to be the medium to large for the fat analysis type systems. That doesn't mean to say that we can't supply solutions for smaller businesses, because food safety is paramount, and even smaller businesses should be looking to try and find a way to ensure that the products they supply to the market are safe for consumption. So our standalone X-ray devices, whether it's in the pack or the bulk ranges, they're ideal for smaller manufacturers to protect their brand, which is just as important to them as it is for the medium to large businesses as well.
I see. And what about the export?
About the
export, Eagle exports.
In terms of how we supply machines around the world, or
in Europe or worldwide?
Well, Eagle manufactures in Tampa. We have predominantly been an American business up until maybe 5-10 years ago, but we've made great strides forward in terms of our European presence, the share of the market that we have there, as well as into Asia. Indeed, we opened up a Chinese office several years ago, and that has grown significantly well, which we're very pleased with. And all of these technologies are being pushed around into the different regions because although the markets may have developed at different rates, the demands that we're seeing for optimization, improvement in quality, they're coming from those consumer markets in all of these regions. So they're all applicable, really.
I see. Last question. About events of this year, there is any other events that you are going to exhibit?
So in terms of events for the rest of the year, IFA's our primary one. We're really promoting our range of solutions for the meat industry. As for next year, I think we're going to be at Interpack, which obviously we're very keen for, so please come and see us there.
I see. So see you at Interpack.
Yes.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you. What we have here is an example of a recipe management system that a processor could use to optimize the production of his final product. And that could be sausages or hamburger patties or any further processed type product. And this area here, this is the in-feed area where the raw materials for the process would arrive. We can have a screen which will demonstrate what recipe is being produced, and it will prompt an operator which products to put in the actual machine to go down the system at any time. Now the important piece is this in-feed system is connected to a fat analyzer just over there, and it gets results back from the fat analyzer so that the operator can react to the exact measurements from the machine, which therefore means that he can, despite the variability in the fat content of his raw materials, he can accurately meet the fat target of the recipe itself. Now on top of that, of course, if there is any kind of foreign body or contaminant within the actual raw material itself, you want to have that removed. So downstream of the actual fat analyzer itself is a rejection system. And this is what would remove any meat containing the contaminant, such that not only is the final product to a specific fat target, it's also free from any potential contaminants as well. And that's it.